Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Mahovlich, veterinarian here at the Talbot Animal Clinic in Elgin Animal Hospital. As I said in my last video, I'm very happy that it's springtime right now. The warm weather, the sunshine, no snow shoveling, it's great. Unfortunately, this time of year also means the returns of bugs and insects. One bug that in particular that I want to talk to you about today is the tick. So most people think ticks are insects, but actually they're arachnids, which means they belong to the same family as spiders and scorpions. Ticks are these nasty, blood-sucking little parasites with these beady little eyes, these hairy little claws. They're just the most disgusting thing you've ever seen. He's right behind me, isn't he? Now, ticks can't jump or fly, but what they can do is climb out onto long blades of grass and wait. And then when an unsuspecting animal, such as yourselves, or your cat, or your dog, starts sniffing around those blades of grass, the tick attaches onto their hair, climbs aboard, and then hitches a ride. Here in the St. Thomas area, and in southwestern Ontario in general, we're seeing a lot more ticks than we ever have in the past. And the problem is we're seeing them in places they weren't previously. Now, the main problem with ticks isn't the ticks themselves, but it's what they carry. Ticks can carry viruses and diseases that can be passed on to ourselves and other animals. Most notably, in our area anyway, is Lyme disease. Now, Lyme disease is one of those diseases that can have devastating effects on both ourselves and our pets if not caught early and treated properly. So here are a few tips. Try to avoid areas where ticks are known to be. Daily checks with your pets, especially after they've been in areas where ticks are known to be a problem, are a good way of catching ticks early. What you want to look for are small little bumps on their skin. Look about the size of a mole, but then when you look a little bit closer, you'll see that the little lump actually has little legs. Preventatives are available out there, and they include things like collars, topicals, and oral medications. If you do find a tick on your dog or cat, and you're uncomfortable taking it off yourself, please bring your animal into your veterinarian and we can remove it for you safely and effectively. Now, there are devices out there to help you remove ticks specifically, but an easy way to do it, if you find one on your animal, get yourself a pair of tweezers, and what you want to do is you want to grab that tick as close to the skin as possible. With gentle yet firm pressure, slowly start to kind of rotate back and forth. What you want to do is to get that tick to let go on its own, and then you can pull the tick off safely and then get rid of it. Now, contrary to what you may have been told in the past, you do not want to use these following techniques to remove your ticks. Yeah, you definitely don't want to try that bottom one. Veterinarians now have simple blood tests that they can do in their clinics to test for things like Lyme disease and other tick issues. This way we can catch things early in the disease process and hopefully prevent the permanent damage that can be caused by some of these nasty little viruses. If you haven't had your pet in recently to see your veterinarian and have the testing done, give them a phone call and see if they think it's a good idea based on where you are and the risks associated with your area. Well, that about wraps it up with ticks. Remember, just like with heartworm disease we talked previously, prevention is key. It is much easier to put on the preventative medications than deal with the diseases once the animal has them. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.